Grammar is under attack. Someone is forcing every sentence to repeat names again and again. Can AI Detective Robo stop?
Detective Robo, meet Repeat X, the dangerous grammar virus. It infects sentences.
Another victim. The virus is spreading fast.
The structural integrity is maintained by these. Grammar virus confirmed. The evidence is clear. Repeat X is everywhere.
The clues lead to the old grammar factory. Names are my power. Pronouns. Activate. Pronouns replace nouns. No! No! My power is gone! Mission complete. Pronouns saved the language.
Pronouns replace nouns and stop repetition. His. Mission accomplished. The verbs are disappearing! I'm heading into the next mission. See you in Case 03.